Good morning, folks. My name is Mr. Dupree. I'm the welding instructor here at New Horizons Regional Education Center in Hampton, Virginia, and I'm excited that you're in the welding class. Congratulations for being accepted into this program. Basically, you're going to learn about 4 different welding processes throughout the course of this year and 3 different thermal cutting processes as well. You're going to learn the theory and also the practical application of how to do these processes. In addition to that, we're going to start out with learning about all aspects of safety. So what I'd like to do now is introduce you to the first process that you'll be learning. It's formally called shielded metal arc welding or stick welding. Basically what you're going to be doing is learning how to join 2 pieces of metal together. You're going to learn how to weld in the horizontal position, the vertical position, and in the overhead position. At the end of the day, you can see what that looks like. So this process here is the first process that you would learn when you entered Newport News Shipbuilding, for example. And all types of welding can be done with this. Pretty much any type of application, this would apply to any number of applications from bridges to aircraft carriers. The next process that you'll be learning is gas metal arc welding using this torch here. It's a wire-fed application, typically called MIG welding. Once you've progressed from MIG, you go to flux core arc welding, which is this wire that you see here. And primarily on your aircraft carriers, this is a big application used quite often. From there, you'll learn how to TIG weld, gas tungsten arc weld, you'll be feeding the wire with one hand and guiding the torch with the other. So you got to be a little bit ambidextrous and learn coordination with both hands. So you're going to learn all positions, horizontal, vertical, and overhead, in all 4 of these welding processes throughout the course of the year. We're going to be talking about them in the classroom, and we're going to come out here in the shop, and you're going to be putting your hands on these processes and doing it. From there, you're also going to learn how to cut metal using the 3 different types of thermal cutting processes. One of them being oxy-fuel cutting. The other is plasma cutting, plasma arc cutting. And finally, you'll learn about carbon arc cutting. All these applications are used out there in industry. So we've got a lot to learn. At the end of the day, at the end of your second year, by April, we have approximately 9 businesses that are looking to hire welders. We have what we call here at New Horizons the Good Life Solution, where you will go through this process of resume writing and filling out applications and going on interviews and things like that. And typically by April, the seniors already have a job offer. So it's a win-win situation. We look forward to your coming here, and we're going to have a great time. It's going to be a great year. See you soon. You also have the opportunity to receive 3 different certifications while you're here at New Horizons. One would be your OSHA 10 card. The second one would be your NOCTI certificate. That stands for National Occupational Testing Institute. It's a comprehensive test on welding at the end of your first year. And proceeding into your second year, you'll work on your American Welding Society entry-level welder certifications for stick, MIG, flux core, and TIG, and thermal cutting.